once again to my channel. My name is Chief Francis. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make your whitening facial cream. Here I have my base, and the base I'm using is Paimei. Here, this is the name, Paimei facial whitening cream. It is very good. You can use this alone without mixing, although you are not going to have that perfect whitening. Okay, it's just going to brighten or tone up your skin. So here I'm going to make this into a whitening facial cream, and the products I'll be working with we'll have our vitamin C anti-tatches serum or anti-spot serum. This is like an exfoliant. I'm going to be adding little so that it can exfoliate the face a bit while whitening it. Here I have my Perfect Face. Perfect Face is for anti-spots, anti-pimples. It brightens up the face. If you're working with this, you don't need to work with tube. You don't need to add tubes, okay? Because this contains betamethasone. So you don't need to add any form of tube when you're working with Perfect Face. And here I have my secret oil. Secret oil is very good. You can apply this alone on your face before applying your facial cream. Here I have my preservative Optiphen Plus, and here I have my vitamin E mixed tocopherols. And here is the serum I use. I normally apply this serum on my face before applying my facial cream. So if you're a pro mixer, or if you're a seller, or if you're making for individual use, I would advise you to add this serum into your facial cream, because when you add serums like this into your face creams, it turns them dark. Okay, within a short period your formulation will go dark, maybe because of the vitamin C inside, probably, but you don't need to even mix your serum with your face cream. You apply your serum, after a while you apply your facial cream on top. Okay guys, so in here I'm going to be adding, this is 30 grams by the way. So in here I'm going to be adding, this is half a tablespoon. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon, 2 of this into my base. Okay, the top has congealed, so I'm just going to remove these particles. These are congealed serum, they've dried up. So the next I'm going to be adding is my Perfect Face. I'm also using half a tablespoon of Perfect Face. You can use the whole bottle because it's really small, but because I'm already working with this, I don't need to use too much of the Perfect Face. The next is my H&D Secret Oil. I'm just going to be adding half a tablespoon. It's quite hard to press out. Okay. So this is half tablespoon of H&D Secret Oil. The next I'll be adding is my vitamin E. You always should add vitamin E to your face creams. You can even use this alone if you have facial redness or red face. I'll be adding just half of this spoon. Okay, so the next thing I'll be adding is my preservative, Optiphen Plus. Optiphen Plus is a broad spectrum preservative. This is a type of preservative you would want to use in all your formulations or Jamil Plus, because a broad spectrum preservative is going to prevent any form of molds or prevents your formulations from turning dark, or you know, different kinds of things. So I'm just going to be adding few drops, just a little. So I'm just going to stir this up with my spatula. You know, you have to mix. Okay, so after stick blending it, this is the outcome. You can see it's still thick, and like I said, after mixing, if you find it a little bit watery, or you can always add another base to it to get to give you the consistency that you want. Another thing I would like to address is when it comes to facial creams, you have to be very careful of the products you use and the quantity you use. Remember, your face is your identity. If you damage your face, then it's going to be really sad. So you have to be very careful with the products that you use and make sure you use the right amounts, okay? If you go through many ebooks, they'll tell you put this, put that, put this, put that. And most of the people encouraging you to mix so many products into your formulations don't actually use those products themselves. They will tell you put this, put that, and at the end of the day, you end up with what we call PIH. So you have to be very careful. For those of you that are experiencing facial redness, check what you are using. You have to discontinue using that product, especially if it's a product that is mixed, okay? You have to discontinue. Get a Vaseline, apply a Vaseline on your face to heal your face. You can actually use shea butter to heal your face, almond oil, rosehip oil to heal your face. Once your face is perfectly healed, you can get a good whitening facial cream to use. Be careful, guys. Thank you once again for watching. Thumbs up if you like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and wishing you all a favorable week. Bye.